Today we have the 2018 Volkswagen Arteon. This vehicle has done just over 54,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio, media, smartphone integration and voice control. On the right we have navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay, our vehicle status and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button, we can switch between our 4 different driving modes: normal, sport, individual and eco. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior.